Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about a fiber-rich breakfast that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Introducing the smoothie bowl with chia seeds and fruit. This bowl is a fantastic way to start your day, with a whopping 10 grams of fiber. And let's not forget about the added benefits of chia seeds, which are known for their high nutritional value. To make this bowl, you'll need 1 cup of mixed berries contains 60 calories, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk contains 20 calories, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains 58 calories. Simply blend everything together, and you've got a fiber-rich, nutritious breakfast. So, what are you waiting for? Give this smoothie bowl with chia seeds and fruit a try, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, more fiber-filled morning routine. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy.